If you want to get notified when my newest video comes out, like and subscribe and ring that bell.
Today we are making the Tornado Ripper 2. So you know this vehicle. Oh, what the Well, since I'm the driver, I will show you how to make the Tornado Ripper V2. Not V1, that was a pain in my butt to make. That was such a pain to make, so V2 only. And some things are optional here. First grab your short beam. Ow! Ow! My hair! No! My hair! I only have one hair left. Anyways, grab your grab your short beam. Freeze time. How I made this was so you're supposed to make it smaller. Make the beam smaller, just small enough to be similar size to this. So make it exactly this size, or you can make it longer or shorter if you want, depending on what you want. Yeah, what you want. What do you want? Anyways, recommend. Most of the time, I usually start in the front where the most aerodynamic spot is. Do not ask why. Oh, come on. Later. And tilt it like this. So yeah, oh wait guys. Anyways, after that, do this. Tilt it exactly like that. And here. There. After that, grab your regular beam. The regular beam and put it over here. Make this shorter. Make this a little shorter.
1 year later.
Boom, boom, bam, whoop, doop, dee. Making simple as possible. But you can actually just put. If you want to make them longer, it's your choice. Make it a bit higher, like somewhere here. Here, yeah, somewhere here. Now put in a regular beam. I'm just gonna place myself out of the universe. Check if it's connected. If not, yeah. But just in case if you don't know it's too big or too small, grab a regular melon or why do I keep ripping? Grab me. Then grab your triplex glass. Hashtag your bulletproof glass that has. You can make this a bit higher, but it's a bit small. It's not exactly gonna be the same, obviously. Because I just made this design from the Dominator 2. So if you want to make the Tornado Ripper 2, just think of the Dominator 2. Yeah. So after that, you put your roof on. This is a bit taller, just tall enough for that to fit. Do this and do that, so it doesn't wobble. Yeah, it doesn't wobble. Boom, this, then this. Come on! There's gonna be a cut real quick. Then we do this. Tilt it and do this. That's actually supposed to be the Dominator 3. But yeah. But the Tornado Rippers are inspired by the Dominators. You know, because most of our team are inspired by real team. Team Tornado Ripper, Team Dominator, Team SIV, Team or the Storm of Passion if you want,
Prepare it.
and
Oh, you did
Team Row, Team Vortex 2. Anyways, we're gonna keep on building this and grab your saved small beam, even short,
This is the ultimate apple that gives you actual superpowers. No,
and make this smaller,
apple.
even smaller than the old short
10
beam.
seconds. 10, 9, 8,
Recommend you to make the sharp beam smaller, so bigger, but not as big as
4,
the.
10 seconds. Okay, infinite seconds. Cleaned.
There we go. Hopefully it doesn't glitch out. Okay. Boom.
I'm going to round circle.
Oh, come on! I was trying to zoom in.
I'm making a round circle so you don't know what
This is why the Tornado Ripper V1.
Oh,
So,
then it's
clean my app.
but then it
Because I accidentally kept on
then I'll draw some
doing
moving
that.
color. Okay,
Yeah.
done. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Closing. Is it max? That's so good. Not gonna lie, that's so good. Okay, everybody get your colors. I'm gonna get a red. Because I think it's
Even though this vehicle is actually heavier than the SIV 2, it's actually still weaker.
sorry.
By the way, the camera and the dome and the disc are very optional. And I guess you already know how to do that, by the way.
Not looking at each other's scores. Oh, look here. Now,
Next, we're gonna do the weights,
yeah.
but the spikes are also optional too. But we're also gonna put it on the tutorial if you don't know how to make the spikes. And we're gonna show you the wheels too.
I'm covering it.
First, grab a piston.
Ready?
Yes, a piston.
Good. Look what I did for you.
I look very normal.
I guess it's a 5. Because I give you
Make sure if it's the same. Well, it's actually I just used the normal size.
because look, because I give you this.
Yep, same size. If you wanna,
Healthy or healthy or
also I'll put this over here.
Come on! It's Temple Pizza. Pizza. It's actually called pizza. Oh, no. Ready? Get your colors. We need some yellow.
Then, but before we do the wheels, let's do the weights real quick. Really quick.
This is the perfect color for pizza.
Do you
I already heard that.
make one part
Pinchita.
700?
First, I'm gonna draw this circle.
The front is very easy to lift because look at the back, 600 mass, 600 mass. Okay, anyways, let's keep going. Make it 700, but you can make it how much you want to be. So but for me, I'll just put 700
You
because
made the lemon. No, I'm still making that crust, the outside of the pizza.
this is
You didn't even make the outside.
it's gonna be a full part, no part 2, part 1, like my old
I added.
tutorial, my Tetris version 1. Make sure the steel beam reach the floor. If not, I don't even know what to do. Boom, boom, bam. Do that so it doesn't lag or glitch out
Mangosteen.
like this.
It's mangosteen.
So make sure the back.
The shape is like.
I'm not gonna do airbags. We're just gonna do hydraulics, similar to the Dominator
I'm
one.
correct.
The back. Oh my God! Help me! Also, please!
It's
I always come. Oh my gosh. Why do I have clones everywhere? Get away. You're not the original me.
I'm giving it a 10 out of 10 if there's cheese. Only.
Anyways,
If there's cheese, I'm giving it 10.
let's continue after we clean this blood. Okay. Copy this. Because you're gonna use that.
That's what I would do if there's
But the back, the front, the back is so heavy.
this. No, look
Now,
at pepperoni.
there we
I do
go.
this. 0. I don't like
Now, every side is heavy. Like the original. But this time I can't even carry it if I lift the top. When I lift the top, I can't bring it up for like 1 sec. But for this one, I can. I made it too heavy. Anyways, deploy these. Grab your wheel. Make it bigger.
If there's cheese,
Is it the same size as the original? Okay, it's just a tad bit bigger. But it's still optional if you want to make the wheel bigger. For no reason, I don't know why. But if you want to make it bigger, okay.
Big 0.
Oh, this would be a cool weapon in real life. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, anyways. Oh, by the way, remember? Do this. So it can't fully close. Get away! I can't even flip you over. You're so heavy. Oh my gosh, there's the narrator. He's dead. I killed him. I don't care. Make sure to deploy it so you know how much you're putting it at. Freeze time. Bring this vehicle high up. This back. Oh, I just realized it's too small. Okay, remember? Do these. Boom, boom, and bam. Make sure it's the pistol, this thing where that moves. Put and the wheel. Or anyways, we're just making this a quicker. So after that, we're gonna.
It's up to me to do work. So I'm gonna do a little bit of office duties today, Melon. I'm just gonna grind here at the desk.
I just realized. Lol.
Well, Sonny, as long as you work with my feet, desks are not for money. Oh, got started!
Melon, my desk spot, it didn't work! She accidentally bumped into me and it forced me to stand up. Are you joking?
And
Okay,
Sonny,
so do
desks
that
are not for
and-
standing. I learned that the hard way. I got killed.
and
But
this
in the end, the sheriff
and
got it done.
Melon, what did you say
But
about
we have to do
abilities
some
earlier?
more. We
Which
have to
power
copy
should I
this.
You're capping.
Then
So
do
you're
this.
capping?
Yes, I'm tapping.
But we have to check if it goes down.
Check it out.
I don't know where you are.
I'm right behind you.
Oh, you actually are the sheriff. No way.
Boom.
Just whip out.
What's happening?
Sonny. You idiot, you were the murderer the whole time.
Boom.
What are the
Yeah, it works,
chances
but you have
I
to
pull
bring
up
it
my
up.
fake gun right
That's the
next
problem
to
with
the
some.
real
My hair! It's gone!
Too good, bro.
What? My hair!
If only you turned
It's
around sooner.
gone!
My gun.
What
That was
the
shooter, and this
fuck?
Slayer would've
Anyways.
never spotted me.
Oh, bro. Oh, well, that didn't happen.
Then
got shot
you
right
go
away.
up, then you
Great
turn
TNT, I
it
got
up
destroyed.
here. I don't
That
know how
really
to
sucks, Sonny.
After that,
Crazy in
we're
this
gonna
lobby. Why are they playing
some
on this
problems
radio?
with-
I gotta mute this. This hurts my head.
Then
Oh, you
put
there?
Yeah, bro, I was
put
gonna
two
say,
in the back
fortunately for
because
you,
usually the back has to.
come to me and I shall save you.
Bruh, you're definitely the killer. You're using the fake gun technique now.
No, I'm not, Sonny. Look, I'm proving it to you right now that I am the sheriff. Look, I'll even shoot a projectile.
Ah! He's a killer. I knew it.
Hey, yes, a QO3 here.
Okay.
now, I
And
shall
after
kill
that,
more.
You
you.
will never take
Oh,
me, Melon.
I
I'm
think.
going to kill everybody.
Woo! Oh, again.
Find a way to glitch.
Die, die, die.
Check
Kill
if
the
it can
sheriff.
drop down
Hey,
still.
Sonny.
Yeah? What's going on, Melon?
What's up? Oh.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Nowhere,
Also do that.
nowhere important, that is.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm
What's happening
positive, and I'm definitely not trying to glitch the game.
What do you mean glitch the
Oh
game?
wait.
Exactly.
And someone took the sheriff gun. Are you kidding me?
I just realized.
Go, Sheriff,
There,
become
drops
the hero.
down.
Gangsta.
Check if it can slide or not.
It'll come
If
back
it doesn't
to that
slide, you
sheriff's
mean
job.
you have
Really
done
don't
the
have to,
first.
Melon.
Oh, but I do, Sonny.
You don't.
Then
Don't.
Oh, but I do.
deploy all the wheels.
Sheriff, and he doesn't even
Oh my
know.
gosh,
Okay,
my brother's
figured it out.
annoying, but
Bro,
whatever.
This is glitch work. I'm trying to cheese the game. I might be able to do this. That'd be so clutch.
Dude, the sheriff needs to get over here. Needs to get over here now. Oh, that was close. Sonny?
Yeah? I almost got up on the roof. No! But my distraction worked. And the
Boom,
hero saved
bam.
the day.
You're lucky that guy was good at the game.
You shouldn't have wasted your time on me, Melon. I was harmless.
I think I killed everybody except the sheriff, dang it.
And you know what you gumps should kill? That like button. Press it right now. Head over to our merch site, sunnyandmelon.com, if you want to get adorable giant plushies.
Ow!
Do it.
Help me! Ow!
It was just
Ow, my hair again!
all day in Roblox.
I'd rather be bald, not gonna
Until
lie.
this happened. What
Boom.
the heck? She's got cheats. Out of nowhere, a hacker appeared using crazy glitches to become invincible. You have to see the full clip. So watch
Boom.
it to the end of this video.
Deployed.
I can't believe my
Then
gameplay got ruined.
after that, put your toggle button right here.
Let's try and get over 10,000
Remember to
likes.
disable its
Being
collision.
innocent?
Yeah, brother. It's
And
really
then
quite boring.
on that, next yes, and yeah,
Oh,
and
that's not
then
gonna kill everybody.
Melon?
boom,
No, not the murderer.
And
idiot.
the
I was just
boom.
messing with ya.
Oh, okay, good. 'Cause I can see
Okay,
you.
done.
Somebody dies.
And when you deploy it, all the wheels come
I'll
out.
protect you, Sonny. 'Cause I'm
You'll
not-
finish the first stage of your vehicle. Oh, fudge, I just forgot.
I think they've got a knife. Shoot him, quick!
I'll shoot him with my knife.
What the heck, you're the killer!
No, I'm not, Sonny. What are you talking about? I don't have a knife.
Wait, is that a new update? Are you telling me the sheriff gets a knife now?
Yeah, it's a new update. Yeah. Oh my goodness! I just destroyed that sheriff.
Wait, I thought you're the sheriff.
I mean, as the sheriff, I totally just wrecked the murderer.
No, you're not the sheriff. This is the sheriff here. Unless the murderer has a gun now, I am so confused. Are you Oh, you're dead.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Well, Melon, that's what you get for lying.
There.
You get danced on.
I was trying to gaslight you, Sonny.
I was honestly getting very confusion. But it turns out there was no updates. You're still just a liar.
Yeah, whatever. Next time I'm the sheriff, I'll gaslight
I'm
you.
actually getting annoyed.
What, are you gonna shoot me and then we both die?
Yes.
Brilliant plan, truly ingenious. And Goats
Boom,
chose
boom.
a good power up for while I'm the killer. And I'm thinking I'm gonna use traps. Excellent, Melon. I am innocent. And today I will become the employee of the month. So I'm putting a notice out. Stop!
Then
standing
connect
on
that
desk.
one here,
We're sitting in
and there,
Sonny, I think it's safer to stand
and there,
Or
and
stay
here.
in a chair.
This might be get alive.
Yeah, that was a quick round.
So these ones over here.
Goats, I can now follow along nicely.
Look at, we have to drop.
And I'll be honest, watch this. Melon, where are you, brother? I'm scared.
I'm with the sheriff. I'm hiding back here with him. I don't trust a soul.
Where's back here? I want to hide with the sheriff.
I really hope the sheriff doesn't think I'm the murderer.
Sheriff's right here, brother. Mr. Tyrone Inkerton. He kind of looks like a bacon hair dude with a cape though.
Yeah, he kinda does. It looks very sketch though. Sonny, you're the murderer!
Boom, done.
Dude.
Now you can.
Yes.
Now you have finished the wheel. Oh come on, it's the narrator again.
There ain't no way they just did
Now you can deploy.
Sonny,
And
did you just get
undeploy.
clipped?
Bro, they ran through my trap.
Yikes, that's embarrassing.
I was trying to
What
lay out a
happened?
master plan. I could've just killed
There, you're done.
That's why you gotta head over to your
The interceptor is almost done.
It's the best ability.
But remember, and everything else is optional from here. The spikes is optional too. The spikes are optional too. If you want it, if you don't want it, it's okay. If you want it, okay, I'll do a spike tutorial later. I'm very busy.
So that's an educational lesson with Sonny.
Sonny, I don't like this map as an innocent. It's so small and easy
And
to kill.
we are done with the. Oh wait,
We're gonna pretend we're just on TV.
True. A lot of our viewers watch our channel on their TVs, so maybe it's just Sunny and Melon that's on right now.
Come on, move over. Move over. Get on the
And
screen.
you are finished.
No, Sunny.
Tornado Ripper V2 is done.
Sunny, I'm pretty sure
Like and subscribe and ring that bell, please. I need subs. I'm joking. I don't really need that.
Murderer killed everybody
But you're
so
done,
fast
and
there, Sunny.
see you on my next tutorial. Oh wait,
Record. What it's so
before you go,
Pull some funny
there.
bitches.
Goodbye, YouTube. See you on my next video.